The AI revolution isn't coming. It's already here. It's changing how we work, where we work, and the skills we need to survive and thrive. From automation to innovation, this is what the future of work looks like in the age of artificial intelligence. AI is transforming industries, manufacturing, robots and AI streamline production lines. Job efficiency increases, but many roles become obsolete. Healthcare. AI diagnoses diseases and suggests treatments. Drug discovery becomes faster and more accurate. Personalized medicine transforms patient care. Finance. AI detects fraud, powers algorithmic trading, and gives tailored investment advice. New skills for the AI era: data science and analytics. High demand for those who can analyze and interpret data. AI-assisted creativity. Tools like ChatGPT and DALL-E help with writing, art, music, but creativity still matters. Human-AI collaboration. The future requires critical thinking and ethical decision-making alongside machines. Addressing the concerns: job displacement and reskilling. Many traditional roles may fade, but new jobs will emerge. Upskilling and reskilling are essential. Ethics in AI. AI bias and fairness are major concerns. Responsible development must be a priority. Future work structures. Rise of gig economy and flexible remote work. Hybrid teams where humans and AI share tasks. Embracing the opportunities. Innovation. AI helps launch new businesses and products. Companies are using AI for smarter R&D. Productivity gains. Automation allows humans to focus on creativity and problem solving. Personalized experiences. AI tailors customer experiences in retail, education, and services. How to prepare. Lifelong learning. Learn, unlearn, and relearn constantly. Platforms like Coursera, LinkedIn Learning, and Udemy offer AI-specific content. In-demand skills. Focus on data, programming, ethics, and communication. Stay informed. Follow AI news, podcasts, and YouTube channels like ours. The future of work is already taking shape, and AI is leading the way. While there are challenges, the opportunities are endless for those who stay ahead. So, are you ready for the AI era?